Next up is the genre autobiography. Similar to a biography, this is an example of nonfiction, which means not fake, which means there is true information found in an autobiography. What is an autobiography? An autobiography is a text that is written to inform the reader about a real person's life. The author of the text is the person featured in the autobiography. So the author is the person being written about. Basically, the author is writing about their own life. Now, we know that bio, this root word, means life, and auto means self. So something that is automatic, runs by itself. An autobiography is a text someone has written about themselves. Okay, anyway, the characteristics of autobiography. First, again, the author is the person featured in the autobiography. The author is the person. The author would write in first person point of view. They would say, I did this and my family, blah, 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 me. That's for first person point of view. They would talk about important things and events in their life, maybe things that changed them or made them who they are today. And because this is nonfiction, all the events are true. They're not making up stories about themselves. They're telling about their actual life. Why do authors write autobiographies? Authors write autobiographies to inform the reader about their actual life. They want to share the important events that shaped who they are. There are lots of great examples of autobiographies. Here are some maybe you can find and check out yourself. The first example is called Boy, Tales of Childhood. This is written by the author Roald Dahl. He is famous for a lot of fantasy stories like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the BFG, Matilda, and many more. There's also Red Scarf Girl, written by Jiling Jing, about growing up in China. Tomie dePaola wrote an autobiography about growing up. This is an award-winning autobiography because it's so funny, all the things that happened to him. Bill Peet, an autobiography, is about illustrator Bill Peet, who wrote and illustrated a lot of books, but also worked for Disney, illustrating a lot of films. And then I want to share an autobiography I read recently called I Am Malala. This is about a girl who grows up in Pakistan during a very hard time with a lot of violence going on. And she's really not that much older than you guys and has an amazing story. So again, autobiography is different than biography. Autobiography is written by an author about their own life, written about themselves. A biography is written by an author about someone else, a different person.